guys, so today we have another tutorial on repair this broken LCD. This one I changed it last time, but unfortunately the customer dropped it and now it become black. But let me turn off the light. I'll show you guys what it look like. So as you can see the backlight is coming on, but the display is all gone. So I'm going to open this up, and then I got the white LCD right here on the display. I'm gonna install that one. Let's go and then open this up. So most likely is the display. So we're going to remove the pentalobe screw that's on the bottom. I'm going to remove the case first. Oh, wait a minute. This is an iPhone 6S. And then that's a 6 display. So I guess it's not going to work. I got to order a new one. But let me just open this up. Let me get a used broken screen and then test this out. Alright, I found one. This broken 6S display. I'm just gonna test it out, make sure everything works before I order a new one for the customer. Wow, there you go. So yeah, it works. So yeah, I'm going to power off the phone. So just to test it out, because the customer dropped the phone and the screen become blank. So just to test this out, so it is the screen that is not working anymore. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.